Hello everyone, this is Dinkar Dibagaran from Softwares Forever. Today I'm going to review Udimi. Udimi is a solo ad platform. So here you can buy solo ads. That means you can buy email list. So you can there are a lot of email list vendors. You can buy the email list from those vendors. So this is the Udimi website. You can log into Udemy. So before that, you can ask one thing like why Udemy. So Udemy is a platform where they filters the vendors according to the email quality. Okay, so this is the a very big marketplace where you can find good vendors who is providing a very good email list, high quality email list, I can say. So if you are paying some amount, so that means you will be getting the return of on investment back with them. And it is, if you compare with the Google ads, the solo ad may be a little cheap, as well as it's a high quality and it's targeted. Okay, so you can log in to this platform. You can register by providing the email ID and password, or if you have a Google account, you can sign up using Google. So I am logging in using my Google account. So this is a very good platform for affiliates or any one who want to market their digital products. Yes, now I logged in using my demo account. So this is the Udemy homepage after you log in. So here you can see a lot of details. One is affiliates. It's like once you log in, you will become a affiliate by default. Okay, so you can invite your friends, and when they purchase, you will get 15% of all their orders. And if they are into Prime membership, then you will get up to 50% of all their orders, and all referrals will receive your referrals will receive $5 discount instantly after registration. Okay, so the steps, if you can see here, how to buy successful solo. So as they mentioned, it's a 5-step process. First thing is you should find the seller and review their profile and place the order. So once you place, then you can watch the execution, how it is going and all, and at the end, after the execution, you can rate the seller. Okay, so here you can find sellers. So you can click find sellers. So here the sellers will be listed according to your niche, maybe the make money online, or maybe the affiliate marketing. According to the rating and also the experience of executing the orders, you can consider the seller. Also you can note down the rate they are offering per click. Okay, so you can select according to that, and maybe better you can go with the seller who is having a real good order record, and their rating is good. Okay, so when you go with that, you are almost sure that you will get good a deal, as well as it, it it will be profitable at the end. Okay, and you can find some of the deals, like some discounts in the solo deal section. so where some of the sellers is providing some discounts, so you can choose according to their experience. Okay, and if you go to extras, it is like you can go and maybe for your ad you require an ad text, so you can you can give an order for ad text. Okay, and you can get some custom landing pages here, and there is also free buys, like once you order, so you'll get some free stuff free stuff uh, with the order. So affiliates, if you go, so you can find your affiliate link. Okay, and also you can recommend some of the sellers, and also you can send a link for Prime subscription. If it is Prime, your commission rate will be higher. There are forums where you can discuss. Okay, and you will get more details about Udimi, like some of the trainings, free trainings and all. Okay, that you can check out once you log into Udimi. So if you go to my landers, there you can find out like your landing page. You can, there will be one default landing page where you can edit and edit the landing page, and you can put it in your website where you can collect leads as well. So this is a real good platform where you can generate good leads. Okay, so here you are almost sure, like you are almost sure about the deliverability. So if they are saying like 100%, so that means they will be giving a real good lead. Okay, because they are mainly concerned, and also you mentioned, they mention only make money online, so that means their main concentration will be on that particular niche. So if your niche is affiliate marketing or something else, so that as per that you can check out the sellers. And Udemy is very strict. It's like if they don't deliver and if someone complains, they will be removing the sellers from the list, and if they don't deliver properly, they will be returning some of the money to you as well. So for every seller, they are really doing a background verification, so you are sure like you will be getting a real good deal. Hope you like this review. Please do log into Udemy and find out more details. Please do subscribe to our channel as well, and we have provided a Udemy link in our description. Thank you very much, and do follow us on www.softwaresforever.com. Thank you.